Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is pretty much like a Sunday reset. I don't want to say a reset because I don't want to say a reset. I guess it is, but I guess because everybody else says reset, I don't want to be like it's my Sunday reset. It's not. It's just me preparing for the week and like just getting some things done today. So today I'm gonna be like cooking dinner. I'm gonna cook some dinner, and I know I just went from so dramatic and then just so calm. But anyway, I'm gonna be cooking some. I'm gonna cook dinner, and I'm gonna go grab a few things real quick because I pretty much have everything that I need, but I just need a few more things. And I'll grab that, and then I need to like clean some, like clean my bed sheets and stuff since it's the end of the week. And I got some work to do. I got some editing that I need to do, like my actual like editing that I do for a living, not just like social media. And then I also want to make a reel. I'm trying to figure out. I'm going to do 2 reels today, but I want to come back and make a reel, so I need to hurry up, get going. Go ahead. It is 12:30. I need to be back by 1:30, and I'm gonna set up my camera and make a reel. I had this funny idea for a reel that I want to make, but I'm not gonna do that anymore because I feel like it's kind of negative, and I don't like being negative. Like, I don't want to like spread like negativity out into like social media or whatever. So I'm not gonna do that. I decided I'm gonna switch it up. I think it'll be even better with the switch up. But yeah, I was going to do something that was kind of funny. I mean, it's funny, but I just feel like it's negative to me. So it's somewhere along the line it can turn negative, put it like that, because it would have been funny, but maybe later. I don't know. I just feel like maybe too soon. I don't know. It's not like a bad thing, but just we're not gonna do it. So anyway, yeah, that's what it is. So I'm actually about to go ahead and head out and grab the things I need and get back home and start dinner and make a reel and put some clothes in the wash. Well, put my sheets and my bed linens in the washing machine. So yeah, that's what it is. Come along with me. I probably like record off my phone. I don't know if I'll record my camera because I'm still very shy. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I will see you guys later. So what's up, guys? I'm back at home. I didn't get to record because my homegirl called, and when she called, I couldn't really record from my phone, and I wasn't about to put my camera out because it was just like a lot of people out. Like, the stores were crazy, like crazy busy. Let me show y'all what I got. Okay. First I got some coffee. I got this from Aldi's. I went into Aldi's. That was the first store because I was like, let me go there, because y'all, these groceries are ridiculous. Okay, the price of everything is so much. My favorite coffee to purchase is Dunkin' Donuts, but I was gonna get that, but I went to Aldi's first, and of course they don't really, they sell some Dunkin' Donuts coffees, but not the flavor that I like. So I just happened to be walking by and I seen this one right here. This is caramel macchiato. It said 100% Arabica coffee, so I figured, you know what I'm saying, like, we're safe to get this. This was only like $4, like I don't know, it was less than $5 for this bag of coffee, and I was like, I need a bag of coffee for the morning time, so got that. I got me some cabbage because we're gonna have cabbage tonight for dinner. And hold on, got something else. And I got some Gouda cheese. This was $7 for this cheese. This was a lot, cover a lot. I was trying to think of anything interesting, excuse me, that I got from the grocery store, but I don't think there's anything else. All these probably has the most interesting. I did go to one more grocery store and grab some other things, but nothing important. However, I have gone ahead and started my dinner because I want to do a reel, like shoot a reel real quick. This is only going to be like a 5 to 10 second reel, nothing long. Most of my reels that I post are at least under a minute. I try not to post. I try to do a minute or 30 seconds to a minute when I do my reels. So I think everything I post, I have maybe like one reel that maybe like 15 seconds, maybe like 5 or 10 seconds. I don't know. It's not very long. So I'm going to do one of those right now. And then later, I want to do one more reel for today and post that. I haven't been really posting on YouTube. And that's because like this girl was like, hey, I don't really think that, you know, if you're like a really like small content creator, like I'm like small. So she was just like, it's kind of hard to do vlogs because people don't know you and they're not gonna like search your name or whatever. I feel like it just has to be interesting. I think you can do the vlogs, but I kind of stopped because I was like, that's true. And I've been doing this for a long time, and I'm like, I haven't got any like traction from doing it. Now, when I do a makeup video, I'll get views, but like when I do the vlogs, I don't get no views. So, but I really like doing it. So, I mean, the time will come. But it did make sense what she was saying. However, I just think that it has to be like the right, you know, like the right title in order to like get some traction. So, I mean, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go back and start doing it. But I think I'm not gonna do like how people do like those week-long vlog, like a weekly vlog or, you know, stuff like that. I think I'm just gonna like vlog things that I have going on and do it that way, and then I can post more often versus like trying to like wake up every day and vlog. Do that later. I'm just gonna like vlog like the day and not like a week, or you know what I mean, like a week or a couple of days or whatever. Just like vlog just that day or whatever. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. And I've been posting a lot on like Instagram and TikTok. Really TikTok is, to me, it's where it's at when it comes to like getting like the engagement. Instagram, when I first started posting Instagram, I was getting some views, not a lot, but it was looking pretty good. And I feel like now I'm getting that from TikTok, because I wasn't getting that from TikTok, but I was getting it from Instagram. Now I'm not getting it from Instagram, but I'm getting it from TikTok. But I gotta figure it out, Instagram times, because Instagram has their own times, TikTok has their own times, and YouTube has their own times. I'm starting to study YouTube a little bit more, so I'm not gonna get into that, but I have been getting into like TikTok and like its time and stuff like that you post. So yeah, it's been working out pretty good. Like the times that they say to post has actually really been working. It's actually effective. So I think I'm gonna keep doing that. I just need to post a little bit more. Like I've only been posting like maybe twice a week there. Of course, twice a week on Instagram, but I need to post like every single day. Some people say they be posting like 6 times. I'm like, yo, I gotta go to work. I can't do that. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. But yeah, well, I got some sunlight. I really want to use a natural light for this reel. But like I said earlier, I was gonna get ignorant with it. But I was like, no, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna be negative. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up this really quick. It shouldn't take me that long. But of course, you know, you're looking at yourself. You might not like where you look, so you gotta get adjusted. It might take me a few minutes to do that, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my reel while my food is cooking. I'll ran me some dishwater so I can wash dishes. I need to wash the dishes from yesterday. I can't believe we actually left dishes in the sink and went to bed with dishes. Like, that is nasty. So yeah, I gotta do that really quick. And yeah, just keep going. Like I said, I got some other things that I want to do. I really need to edit. I haven't edited my projects that I've been working on, and then do that. It's just so much to do in so little time, and I still haven't started my sheets, my bed linen. So I'm gonna start washing those. But I'm gonna go ahead and start my reel while the sun is still up. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. I need the sun to kind of peek back out a little bit more because I want the natural light. I think it'll look really good. But yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my reel, and once I finish that, I'll show you guys what I'm cooking, and then we're just gonna kind of keep it moving from there. Okay guys, so I just finished up shooting my reel. Like I said, it was very simple. I don't know if, I think I had the camera pointed in the direction that I was shooting. Hopefully y'all got to see it. But like I said, it was something simple, and I knew it was gonna take me a long time because I hate my hair. Like, It's time for me to take my hair out. Like, it is time. The ladies that did my hair pull my edges, and not supposed to put edges with, especially not with knotless braids. And I got knotless braids, excuse me. But I'm ready to take these out because it's hard to like style your hair and you're trying to do like, you know, like filming, taking pictures, anything like that. So I'm just ready to take these out. Like, it was hard for me. I didn't like when my hair was looking. Everything else was fine. It was the hair for me. But yeah, I just, you know, that was my only drawback. And I was wondering, maybe I should have put my light on. I was trying to use a natural light, and I think it'll look okay. My camera doesn't, I shoot like flat image, so it doesn't have any color to it. So I really couldn't really see it that well. But I will once I like color correct it on my computer, my desktop, excuse me. So yeah, that's just what it is. But I'm trying to keep it moving. So now I'm just gonna finish up dinner. I am kind of behind on that, so I'm about to just kind of rush really fast, still keep the quality but rush and do that. And then I need to it was something else I wanted to do. I know I want to wash my linens. I still ain't got to it yet, but yeah. So y'all, this is the light I got this from Amazon. I got the newer light. There was another brand, but it was sold out. And this one actually I think had cost more, and I was kind of mad. So I have lights like these already, but they don't snap on to the camera, like onto the camera phone. Well, you know, to your cell phone or whatever. I have some that I can put on top of my camera I'm using now, but they are way more expensive. So I really don't want to like walk around with those because they're more for me to film with when I'm actually like filming like a project or something. So I try to be mindful because they are like really expensive, and I don't want to ruin them just having them out here just riding around with them things, you know what I'm saying, just using them or whatever. So I did get this one here. This was kind of pricey, not gonna lie. But however, there's one other type of light like this, and it might have a bicolor to it, but this has bicolor and it has other colors. So see, you could change the colors on these, on this light right here. So I was like, oh yeah, definitely getting this one. Gives me more you know, more options. But yeah, gonna stick that there. And yes, we got lights. Anyway, let's go ahead and finish up dinner. I got all these pans on the stove and nothing in them, so it's like I don't know where to start. But yeah, I just need to take a breather real quick. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start my cabbage real quick and get that on, because cabbage doesn't take long to cook. Just gotta get something going. So yeah, let's do that. And then I'm gonna make cornbread, and then I'll do my macaroni and cheese, and that's it. What's going on? Finished cooking and we ate and we threw it down. Okay, food was delicious. But yeah, it's let's see, it's 8:15. I have not stripped my bed yet to get my linens off. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. It shouldn't take that long. It's 8:15 now. At least by 9:30 everything should be finished. But yeah, that's my next move. I should have been did that. I was gonna do that this morning. It's just so crazy that I didn't do it. I wish I would have did it, cause I need to get in bed. But before I get to bed, I'm gonna do some work. I'll do a little bit of editing, and then I'm gonna go to bed, cause I just don't like to be so sleepy in the morning because I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I need to get some sleep. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to get my linens, and then I am going to shower, and then I'm gonna edit, and that's gonna be the end of my day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my sheets off the bed, and yeah, I wanted to do one more reel, or you know, like a TikTok or reel, whatever. But I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I have my camera already set up, so what I'll do is I'll just leave the setup the way it is, and then I'll just move it to where I want it to go, and I'll just do the reel tomorrow. Cause I mean, I really could do it now, but I feel like I gotta set up everything, so I'll just probably do it tomorrow. It's taking up too much time. I could just do it tomorrow. No big deal. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. But yeah, let's go get these linens off the bed. All right, guys, so I made my bed up, and I didn't get everything done that I needed to get done today. It's okay, I guess, but I did get mostly what I wanted to get done, so I'm not mad about that. I mean, I kind of did accomplish some things today. I'll give myself that. I did do quite a few things. I got done 50% of what I said I was gonna get done, because usually I only get like 10% of what I said I was gonna get done for the day. So I did get something done today. I did. So I feel a little bit accomplished. Okay, but I'm gonna edit for about 5 minutes, I guess, because I was trying to be in bed at 11 o'clock and it's 10:30 now, and I still need to get some clothes out for the morning. I like to try to get my clothes out the night before, because I have to be up for work at 5 o'clock. I don't have to be, but I choose to be because I like to get myself fixed though. Listen, let me tell you something. I work with kids, and they will talk about you. And kids do not have no kind of filters, baby. So I gotta make sure I got my stuff together before I go to work, and them kids be in my face talking about me. That one little girl already told me, you need to put your eyelashes back on. You look better with your eyelashes. I was like, yikes. So I gotta make sure I fix myself up before I go to work. I can't be playing with them kids. Cause listen, I'll be arguing back with them. Don't play with me. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna edit, and I will probably, I don't know, in the night here. Definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe here. Turn your post up, notification bell on, and share, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Night.